All right. So, first of all, let me welcome you to this session one to one, and this is going to be about 40 minutes or maybe. The
Mm,
purpose of like what I'm gonna be taking you to the journey today is it's a 3 week it's a 3 weeks thing to become an
mm,
AI enabled academic and career counselor, and
mm,
I'm sure you understand that. So, psychometric and DMIT, these are two tools that we are going to talk about it. So today we are going to be talking about a AI based academic and career counseling, psychometric and DMIT tools, sales toolkit and earning potential, like, and the special on the spot offer that I'm going to be presenting in front of you, right? If you like
mm,
the opportunity, you can go for it. So as an academic counselor, like how to earn 3 lakh rupees per month. Now, this could be small for somebody, this could be big for somebody. It's like person to person without spending a bomb onto the paid ads. So definitely, everybody today has been advertising and doing a campaign onto the paid ads like Facebook and Instagram. But there's a
mm,
huge amount of money that goes in. So how without investing so much of a money, you can still make a genuine profits? And
mm,
roadmap for student to improve the academic performance and to select the career and to select the stream. That's going to be the purpose of it. So earning potential, generally, there are people who are earning 5 plus. So the whole idea is ki need, as you understand today, I mean, like when you talk about a career counseling industry, it's a 5,000 crore industry. And
mm,
85% of students are confused about their career choices, and that's what India today says. 93% of the Indian students don't have a certified career counselors, like career counselors. So they don't have an access to that. NCRT
mm,
report says that NEP 2020 recommends mandatory career guidance. In fact, there's a budget that's in Punjab. It's already being allocated. It's a compulsory for all the students, and they are partnering with the private career counselors. And mental
yeah.
health, burnout, and career commission are rising in the youth and professional. People are actively seeking trusted coaches, mentors, and guidance. So there is
Mm,
a need and there's a gap in the market. India needs about 14 lakh career counselors, right? So
yes.
now I'm going to be talking about a roadmap to earn 3 lakh rupees per month, monetizing the student network, sales strategies and toolkit, employer to employer journey, and the on the spot offer under 20,000.
Mm,
Uh, about Mindpriest, we were founded in 28 July 2015, but we were working since 2013. So practically it's been 12 years. Trained 5,000 plus kids and adults, 5,000 plus trusted business partners. We have
mm,
conducted 100 plus midbrain activation workshops, 1,000 plus career counselings also that we have done personally.
mm,
What
mm,
personally I have done, that's what I'm talking about. Founders,
yeah.
my accreditations are I'm certified in NLP, certified in midbrain activations, psychometric DMIT, memory master, speed training trainer, business coach, and student empowerment. That's what exactly actively I do. There are a lot of other things that you can just talk about it, but that's not relevant. So their intelligence, personality, learning test style, and learning capacity is different from each other. But unfortunately, the teaching style remains the same. So you understand, like, the uniqueness of the person is also uniqueness in learning, but the teaching style remains
Yes.
the same. And if
Yes. The pedagogy system it is called. Yeah.
exactly. So as a result, child loses interest in studies. Then we say the child is like slow in learning. So the
Mm,
solution is teach them through their strengths. We have a strength, we have weakness. So if we actually help them
mm,
learn through the strength, teach them according to their learning style, visual, kinesthetic, auditory. Brain
mm,
balancing, like, generally we are logically strong if you are able to actually make them creatively strong. So when you balance the
mm,
brain, the whole brain has got a better efficiency when you simultaneously together use it.
mm,
Creative and environment in the create an environment at the room. So, for example, somebody loves pet, somebody loves nature. So you can have the
mm,
surroundings in the room around the study table so that, like, child's efficiency automatically goes well. Helps the
mm,
child zeroing down to the career. If the child is 13 plus years, then he should have a clear-cut idea about the kind of a career that he's gonna choose. But before that, he's exploring. You don't have to talk about a career. Right. All this science is based on the multiple intelligence theory of Dr. Howard Gardner. So when we say the child is intelligent, what does it mean? Intelligent, generally the people who score 90% plus, we call them intelligent. The people who score lesser marks, we say they are not intelligent. But that's the wrong definition. So Dr.
mm,
Howard Gardner in 1983 came up with a theory called like multiple intelligence. He said that every child can be, or every human being is intelligent in 8 different ways. And
mm,
this could be, like, for example, body kinesthetic. Some people are good in body movement of a body, yoga master, Virat Kohli,
mm,
like cricketers, sports people, you have
yes,
dancers and all this stuff. So they are good in this thing. So, but
mm,
not everybody can do it, which means they have an intelligence and an ability to find a solution. So they will be able to
yes,
find the solution in that part. Interpersonal is all about people smart. Some people are very good in developing a good relationship, and
yes,
they have a leadership quality. Some people are good in words. They have excellent comm skills and they can communicate very well. Some people have a logical this thing, they are very good in mathematics, statistics, reasoning, data analysis, everything, like
mm,
scientist, technology people. Then you have nature smart. Nature smart is a naturalist, right? And these
yes,
people are love pets and environment, and they have a
mm,
strong observation. Similarly, intrapersonal. Intrapersonal is all about these people are very good in self learning. They are very organized, self planning.
mm,
Spiritual gurus like Sadhguru and a lot of other people who basically
mm,
are self-acclaimed, and so they are the people. Then philosophers. Visual spatial is all about the 3D visualization. The people who are in architects like who created Burj Khalifa and the other things like other monuments, so or the sculptures or the painters.
mm,
Musical is not for the people who sing well, but musical primarily means that the people who are able to emote better, their emotions can be better. So these are eight different type of this thing. So when the child is born, our brain is made up of neurons, and what makes you a stronger on specific part is the neuron connection. Therefore, people when they are born, there are 1200 crore connections that neurons that come to a brain, but everybody doesn't have. Somebody has got some strong part, somebody has got some strong part. The strong part becomes your comfort area because the connection of neurons is better. So you that is where you are stronger, and the ones which has got a lesser connection, that becomes your weaker area. Now the thing is, how do you identify that, right? Like how do you identify that which are strong area, which are so we need a tool. So the very first tool that I'm talking about is the psychometric tool. Psychometric tool is like it has got a interest. Like psychometric tool will basically identify your interest, multiple intelligences, MI based
mm,
career option, and STEAM selection. So these are the
mm,
things it is going to actually like give it to you. Like so, now what happens is psychometric is also the AI based. Like you can actually like generate the psychometric test. This is the multiple intelligence based. So multiple intelligence that I talked about it. Now, how do you identify in this case is like you are being given 80 questions in a form. The
mm,
child has to fill in that 80 questions. Now, as I said, how many multiple intelligence are there? Eight multiple intelligence. And there are
mm.
10 questions related to each multiple intelligence. So there are 80 questions, right? Now, these
Okay.
80 questions, when the child writes it down, one, two, three, four, strongly disagree to strongly agree. And then based on that, the complete result of the child is being created. It will not
Mm,
only help you to understand what stream is good for you, what career is good for you, what is your interest level, but also through the I mean DeepSeek, you can attach this report and you can also understand what is the multiple intelligence, three top multiple intelligence, what is the brain dominance, whether the left or right brain is strong, questions,
mm,
IQ, EQ, CQ, and AQ, learning style, visual, kinesthetic, auditory, environment, what environment you require, extracurricular activity, professional selection, and SWOT analysis of the child. So this is all is going to come from the AI enabling. Then, if you
mm,
want to guide him for the career, then you talk about multiple engines in the best 10 professions, then prioritizing profession on the basis of the, the capacity, the strength that the child has got it, and then at the same time, where you get the maximum, where there's a maximum demand and there's a lot of money also. So you filter down, actually, it's kind of a funneling which happens. And then
mm,
finally, you zero down to one career option. Okay. So counselor is going to create a roadmap. Your job, if at all, like you are a counselor, you have to create a roadmap for the trainer. Report will be there, which will have everything, but now you have to create a roadmap. You have to create a report summary, give step by step counseling points, and create word by word counseling to be finished in 45 minutes. So this is exactly being done by the AI, correct? Now the thing
mm,
is, further to that, you can actually help them with the best colleges in India, fee and eligibility criteria, best institute to prepare for the selected career and all this stuff. So that is the extra thing that you can suggest them. So it is an AI-based counseling that can be done. So I would give you a demo a little later. I'll try to see if at all at the last we have a time, then it's okay. Otherwise, what I just told you the process. Maybe if you require, I can give you a clip of it, a video clip, so that you can consider that, right? Now,
Hmm.
second product that I would be talking about is the DMIT. DMIT is called Dermatographic Multiple Intelligence Test. Derma is skins and the graphics are the pattern on the skin. Now, what happens is psychometric test has got this thing where it's worldly, completely across the world. All the Fortune 500 companies and all the corporates use psychometric tests to select the people, the candidate that they need to hire. Need to hire. Now, second thing is like when we talk about like the DMIT is a fingerprint science. It started 200 years back when what happened? There were a couple of kids who were born in different part of the world, and they had the cortex was not there. Cortex means they didn't have the upper brain. So when the brain was not there, these kids don't survive for more than 24 hours. Now, across the world, different kids born in different countries, the common thing that was realized was all these kids who were not having a brain were not even having a fingerprint. So what is the correlationship? And that is what exactly raised an eyebrow of the, a lot of people. And then finally they started to, started to actually like analyze that. And then the research continued, 4,000 papers were being submitted. And thereafter came a science called dermatographic multiple intelligence. Derma skins and graphics are the pattern on a skin. And multiple intelligence is a theory coined by Dr. Howard Gardner. So both the sciences were being merged together after an analysis of 5 lakh people's fingerprint and involving four sciences, something like dermatographic, derma science, and then you have embryology, then neuroscience, stuff like that, genetics. So all these four sciences were being involved by the way of classification and all that. It was identified that there are 20 different type of fingerprints that can be there. So what happens is it was noticed that when the brain, so ultimately it was realized that the more the neuron connection on a specific part of the brain, it is reflecting on a specific finger. So therefore it was connected to the finger and we can identify the ridges on the finger, and based on we can identify the strength of the brain. So this is the basic science behind it. So there are four different type of reports that can be generated. First is the personality test, where you can identify the personality of father, mother, and the child in single report. How father treats the child, how mother treats the child. This is more like a sales tool because we give it complimentary. And this is an entry to the parents to actually promote the other product, which are higher value product. Second is the lifetime report, which is the fundamentally strongest report. It's a 69-page report. It will help you to understand about the preferred learning style, brain dominance, quotients, personality type, thought process, whether the child is executor, thinker, leadership style, acquiring method, and much
Hmm.
more. Extracurricular activity. It's like a brain manual. How do I define that? Is people say, what is DMIT? I say, when you buy an air condition, you get a manual, but with this, you don't get a manual. So this is all about that manual, right? So this is the thing. Then compatibility report. Compatibility report shows those getting married and want to actually understand what are the strengths the husband has got and the wife has got, and what are the roles to be decided accordingly. Or two people getting into the partnership, what is the compatibility amongst them? HR report is for the corporates, like this is lesser used. So these are four different report that comes under DMIT with your own brand and the complete, creativity is like yours on the front page, right? General charges from the parents are 5,000 rupees for this thing, and 4,000 rupees for the psychometric. This is what is the starting charges. And as you grow old into this particular thing, I mean, that is great, like you can charge up to even 15,000 rupees. There's no problem. People have been doing that. This has got the earning potential of 3 lakh. How 3 lakh? Two counseling per day into 30 days, 30 into 260, 5,000 rupees, 5 6 are 30. So 3 lakh rupees is the earning potential. But then the base is that two counseling per day. Two counseling per day can happen if you get 15 customers per day. If you get not 15 customers, 15 genuine leads, the people who are interested, if you get that, then those 15 people, I mean, there would be two serious people who would be interested to buy your product. So you can generate a 10,000 rupees revenue per day. So full-time people can earn about 3 lakhs, and definitely part-time, if you're just doing 4 in a week, Saturday and Sunday, then people can earn about 80,000. And that's a genuine thing which can happen. It's not an Excel figure. Now the question is, how do you generate lead, right? I mean, there are ways to generate lead. So first of all, let's understand who's your audience. Parents audience are your audience having a parenting mindset and purchase online, right? Now, where do you find them? Because it is an online business, you can find them completely globally. You can do it online, you can do it offline. So the idea is you have a global audience because this is not related to specific country or a curriculum. This is, advising them about the career and advising them about the academic performance. How do you improve the academic performance of the child? Through the two tools called DMIT and psychometric. How to reach them? Digital marketing is the best way, and digital marketing mein Facebook and Instagram, the way I've reached you, same way and same thing that I'm gonna be. In case you already know the digital marketing, this thing, so that is great. If at all not, then we would be actually helping you to do the first this thing, thing. So that is what exactly we do. How to generate leads. Now the thing is that sales toolkit also that you require. If the leads are generated, so we need to understand the sales toolkit also, right? So, so sales. So let's understand the funnel of sales. To get two customer, you require four people on the landing page. You require 20 leads, right? 20 leads. If you have 20 leads, you get two customers, right? Generally, you get the leads for 50 rupees from the Facebook and Instagram. Okay, that's the general calculation average. So 50 rupees into 20 leads is 1,000 rupees. When you get 20 leads and you basically do the things onto autopilot mode, then like you apply the sales thing. So spending 1,000 rupees, you get 20 leads, and out of 20 leads, 10 will be not qualified leads, and 10 will be qualified leads who are serious. Out of these 10 people, you would be able to speak to them and then convert two of them. It's through a way of WhatsApp, landing pages, and all the stuff, right? Now, to make it easy, what we do is if you want to have unlimited data, apart from Facebook, we will give you a Google extractor which can generate unlimited data for the prospective client that you have it, right? I'll tell you how it comes in the leads, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp API. You convert that into the leads, then content creation. So Canva Pro comes for the subscription of 4,000 rupees per year, right? That's gonna be a part of it. Usme you can have unlimited and any kind of a social media content, logo creator, and post creator, which is required for this industry. Because on a daily basis, you might have to need to, do something, or for the Facebook ad campaign, you have to design a specific ad. Then comes the landing page, which is like a digi card. Digi card is like, you understand landing page. Then comes in the lead nurturing, because what happens is it is a sign that when you touch a customer seven times, then 30% of the people becomes your customer. So idea is you have to have a series of seven messages. Now, what is the best way to send the message to the people? It cannot be email because the opening rate is 4%. So it is this thing, WhatsApp Sender Advance. Through WhatsApp Sender Advance, you're gonna send it. Okay. That is the thing. So ultimately, you require a software. You are not going to send it one by one. You need to send it. You need to have a button. I'm interested. I'm not interested. Unsubscribe. All that stuff. Something which is going to call you. Call button. Somebody is going to. So there's a button campaign, right? And which is like very simple to do it. And so if you want to send it to 500 people, 1,000 people, 2,000 people, you can do it when the people who are interested, to them you can send it at one single go. You can create campaigns, you can schedule campaigns. That's something which is really wonderful. You can have a automatic bot system, where auto reply system kind of a stuff is there, right? So this is all going to be there. This is like a landing page. Then I'm going to give you the Canva Pro. Then and then WhatsApp Sender Advance. This you can send unlimited messages, can add unlimited WhatsApp number, and can send messages one by one, minimizing the risk of your number getting banned. Personalized messages with name, call button plus website button, no size limit for videos, auto reply button, auto update, 1 year license. Right? So ultimately, this is what comes in. Support, yes. Support is important. So product, we are going to give it to you. Training, certification training is there in the app. There's structured curriculum which is there, all the recorded session. So you go through the journey and you seek a support as and when, wherever that you want it. There's a chat support within the app, and then WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp that we have it, then the phone and the Zoom, right? Certification, you get it. Business setup, Facebook campaigns, we help you to do that for the first time, and Telescript. So this is what you require: training and technical support. I mean, You can actually go through the training in the mobile as well as on the laptop. We are going to certify you within the 15 days from the date of joining after once you complete the course by assessment and setting up your first Facebook campaign. We're going to help you with and a telescript, right? Which you are already so senior, so I don't need to tell you all that. But yes, I mean, I'm just covering what all we do. So, mentor, if you feel I've been into this domain for 10 plus years, so if you feel, I mean, you can have the mentor, and if you truly want to get into it, so yes, I mean, I would be happy and honored to do that. And 5,000 plus people have already are into this journey, right? Because been into the thing for the last 10 years. I mean, so you can, like what exactly are you going to get it, right? So products and softwares, you are going to get the whatever that you're going to get, going to get it for life. You don't
mm,
have to pay royalty because it's not a franchisee. It is
mm,
you are going to be the owner with your own brand name. Know where the
mm,
Mindspace brand is going to come. So
mm,
psychometric for 10 years plus, you're going to get it. DMIT lifetime, DMIT HR,
mm,
DMIT compatibility, DMIT demo, which is I said personality. Then
mm,
DMIT scanning software. If you go for biometric scanner, then you require a software.
mm,
Biometric scanner you have to buy in case you want to buy. Otherwise, alternatively, you can do it from different technique called powder technique, for which you
mm,
don't buy anything. Otherwise, when you buy the thing, I mean, then it's a 4,700 rupees machine. It's a German-made machine that you can order from the Amazon. Then,
okay.
then comes DMIT rich counting software, which is also a part of like to understand the DMIT stuff. I mean, it's a
Mm,
technical part which we give a software which people generally in the industry do it manually. So then
okay.
comes in STK sales toolkit, Google extractor to generate unlimited data. Due to the
Mm,
time paucity, I mean, like I have not shown you that demo, which was already
mm,
there. I'll just send you the thing.
yeah,
STK Canva Pro. Canva Pro is for 1 year subscription again.
mm,
And STK DigiCard. DigiCard is also for 1 year. This is your digital card. You can say it can have 5 videos. It can have all the social medias link. It can have, if you want to, it can have 30 different products being displayed and the inquiries can be done. So a person click for a specific product inquiry, with the pictures, everything comes in. It can have your payment this thing also. Payment, Google Pay, this and that, your bank account, your GST number, if you have it, everything is there. So this digital card, if somebody says, fine, give me your number, you just put his number and just say share, you will be getting into his contact list directly. So that's the very beautiful part and the best part is this can be used for a particular product. If you're using the psychometric test or a career counseling related to that, you can put in the videos. So you can
mm,
have these things coming in. So I'll give you that as well. STK, SD card, and WhatsApp Sender Advance. As I said, WhatsApp bulk sender, like bulk. If you want to send the WhatsApp, so that software is also going in. So 11 different softwares you're going to get it in this program to help you to do that. So after you book, you get instantly you get a payment receipt, and you also get a access to the training. So that is what it is. Onboarding will once like that's being done, we give you a time and do the onboarding with you. Okay, and
mm,
we actually like mutually decide about the time, and on that we give you onboarding so that you can understand where to start from. Are you as you're saying the support system so that at every step you're able to guide you that what to do, where to do, and how to do. Right.
yeah.
Now, questions I've already answered. So now the thing is, what else are you going to get it? Apart from the package that you're going to get it, you are going to get the no-brainer, the bonuses. Now, in bonus, we are going to give you, because we received and we are passing on. So it's like a all India database of 2018. There are about 132 crore data, which is which is the bonus is like it is like a pin code wise, city wise. You have chartered accountants, you software engineers, you got teachers, you got students, you got parents data, you got Club Mahindra owners, which membership, everything data, along with the
Mm,
phone number. Some people have got annual packages, so it's huge data. The car owners data, the mobile owners data, and all the stuff. So I don't know
mm,
where it is coming from and where it is going, but at the end of it, we have seen it's like it's something which can really get you something in terms of
mm,
customer. Ebooks, we are giving it to you. Ebooks 30,000, including bestseller. Audiobooks, we are giving royalty free images, royalty free audio, videos, and the funnel marketing, the digital marketing course we are giving you. So now
mm,
comes the part of the this thing. So all that 11 software that we're going to give you and the bonuses, 7 bonuses that we're going to give you. A no-brainer offer means obviously like, it is 50% lesser than the industry rate, and the quality remains the world class. This is something we have earned out of it because from the corporate world when we came in. So psychometric tests normally cost about 20,000. DMIT software alone cost about 25,000 and sales toolkit cost about 16,520. So total cost is about 61,520 rupees, but we have an offer. And the offer is that the complete package we are going to give it to you for 19,999. 11 softwares and which includes all and plus this thing. And so this is what it is. So and if you want to take it in EMI, then there's just a 500 rupees element extra. Then you can pay first EMI is 12,500 rupees today, and the second EMI 8,000 rupees 7,999 is after a month's time. That is also possible, or you
mm,
can just completely make 19,999. Some people at times are interested into single product, then usme bhi we give you discount. If you go for just psychometric, it's 14,000. Just DMIT is 16,000, but just sales kit, toolkit, it's 12,000, roughly about 12,000. But definitely the package deal is a package deal. So I think that makes a better sense.